So Hormuz is looking at the other big movers, the other interesting delivery data, stats, etc. X of autos. Hormuz, what do you have for us?
Morning, Surabhi, and equally interesting observations, if not more. And Yatra Online is one such name, right? The stock has been on a tear ever since it announced its results a couple of weeks ago. And in the 14 trading sessions since then, the stock is up almost over 65%. Now, take a look at the increased trading activity after the results were reported. Now, prior to the results, the last 3 months average daily traded volume was around 3.5 lakh shares. That, after the results in the last 14 sessions, has increased to over 1 crore shares for Yatra Online. And even in yesterday's session, almost 60 lakh shares changed hands. But courtesy of the increase in the traded volumes, that was lower than the 20-day average, which has now increased to 90 lakh shares. And even on the delivery front, though, almost 17 lakh shares were marked for delivery yesterday compared to the 20-day average, which has now increased to almost 13.25 lakhs. So the delivery volumes were higher, but the trading volumes were lower compared to the 20-day average. The other one is Vishnu Prakash, Punglia. We mentioned this stock last week as well, but the stock has been on a bit of a free fall in the last 6 trading sessions. Stock is down 20% from 150. The stock has collapsed to 119 in this 6-day period. And take a look at the trading activity in the last 3 sessions as well. 13 lakh shares on the 28th, almost 40 lakh shares on Friday, and 45 lakh shares in yesterday's trading session. And prior to those 3 trading sessions, the average 20-day volume was just around about 4 lakh shares. Now, even in yesterday's session, almost 45 lakh shares, as I mentioned, compared to a 20-day average of just 6 lakh. And the delivery was 22 lakh shares marked for delivery compared to a 20-day average of just 2.5 lakh shares. And the last one is RITES. And it's been a while since we have seen a railway stock getting some traction. It snapped a 5-day losing streak yesterday, the highest trading volumes in a month, almost 17 lakh shares traded compared to a 20-day average of 4 lakh. And even here on the delivery front, almost quarter to 4 lakh shares changing hands compared to a 20-day average of 1.5 lakh. The stock, though, continues to remain significantly below its 52-week high.
All right. Now, Hormuz, very, very interesting stuff. And that's, I mean, essentially the whole gamut of names which moved. Auto is a pack, of course, but Sud earlier. And, what else really moved as well. By the